Welcome to Mahi's blog, SAP B1 Tricks and Tips 01. Here's a point-by-point summary of how to hide unnecessary layouts in SAP Business One. Managing layouts in SAP Business One. Two primary methods, the Layout Designer and the Administrator's Report and Layout Manager Method 1. Using the Layout Designer. Access. Navigate to the relevant module and document type, e.g. Sales AR Sales Order. Open Layout Designer. Click the Layout Designer icon. Open Report and Layout Manager. Select Manage Layouts, deactivate layouts. Select the unwanted layouts and set their status to inactive. Result: inactive layouts are hidden from users but remain in the system. Method 2, using the Administrator's Report and Layout Manager. Access. Go to Administration, Setup, General, Report and Layout Manager. Select Module and Document Type. Choose the relevant document type, e.g., Purchase Order. Identify unused layouts. Filter the list to find unwanted layouts, deactivate layouts. Option 1, Unassign, right-click, select Edit Layout or Assign Layout, and unassign the layout from users or business partners. Option 2, Set to Inactive, right-click, select Edit Layout, and change the status to inactive, if available in your version. Result: layouts are hidden from users but remain in the system. Key considerations. No permanent deletion. Both methods hide layouts without deleting them. Most recent version display. Only active layouts are displayed to users. Older versions are retained but hidden. Best practices. Use descriptive layout names, assign default layouts appropriately, and back up your database before making changes.